Dear students, today we will study Brassica juncea, variety juncea or Indian mustard. And I am your Rajkumar sir. First, the systematic position as per Bantham and Hooker. Class is dicotyledony. Venation of this family, this class is reticulate. Cotyledons are two in number. Flowers pentamerous. Subclass polypetally. Characters are the petals are free. Series thalamiflory. Flowers are hypogynous and ovary superior. Order Perietals. Carpels united to form unilocular ovary with parietal placentation. Family Brassicaceae or crucifery. Herbs with alternate X-stipulate leaves. Corolla cruciform. Stamens tetradinamous. Ovary bicarpellary. Syncarpous. Unilocular but becomes bilocular due to the development of false septum. Fruit is a siliqua. Habit and habitat of this plant, Brassica. It is an annual or biennial herb cultivated and grown mainly as oilseed crop, grown in winter. Roots are taproot, branched. Stem is erect and branched, cylindrical, hollow, woody below and herbaceous above, green, glabrous, and hairy. Inflorescence is racemose, corimbose raceme. Flowers are ebracteate, pedicellate, ebracteolate, complete, regular, actinomorphic, bisexual, hypogynous, cyclic, and yellow in color. Calyx consists of four sepals, free in two whorls of two each. The posterior sepals forms the outer whorl and encroach the lateral sepals that are saccate or pouch-like at their bases. It is lanceolate with entire margin and acute apex, green or yellowish green inferior. Corolla is made up of four petals, which are corypetalous or polypetalous, that is, they are free from each other. Clawed, claws longer than the sepals, cruciform, valvate, estivation, inferior, and yellow. Androecium is made up of six stamens, which are polyandrous tetradynamous. That is, it consists of six stamens. Four are longer and they form two anterior posterior pairs and are arranged in an inner whorl. The two smaller lateral stamens forms an outer whorl. The longer stamens bears extrose anthers, where the shorter stamens bear introse anthers. Dehiscence is longitudinal. Four distinct green and dot-like nectaries are present at the bases of the stamens. Gynoecium is bicarpellary, syncarpous, superior, unilocular, becoming bilocular by the formation of a false septum called the rafellum. Placentation is parietal, ovules numerous, ovary long and cylindrical, style short, stigma is bifid. Fruit consists of a siliqua. The floral formula of this plant is: first symbol represents actinomorphic, second bisexual. K2 plus 2 shows that they are arranged like cross like they are arranged in 2 plus 2 whorls. C4 cross means there are four petals with cross like arrangement. A2 plus 4, it shows that they are tetradynamous. G bicarpellary, gynoecium is bicarpellary, syncarpous, that is within the brackets, and a line below shows that it is superior. Now there is the floral diagram also on the right hand side, which you can see and uh, understand. Now coming to the rapeseed, mustard, crop brassica includes many diverse types of plants. This is extra with respect to the brassica. We have to understand that Brassica genus consists of many species which include vegetables and oilseed crops. We have to understand it. So we are studying it. Crop Brassica includes many diverse type of plants which are grown as vegetables, fodder, or sources of oils and condiments. The name for rapeseed comes from Latin word rapum, means turnip. The oliferous oil-yielding brassica species, commonly known as rapeseed mustard, are one of the economically important agricultural commodities. Rapeseed mustard comprises of 8 different species, that is Indian mustard, Toria, yellow sarson, brown sarson, gobi sarson, karan rai, black mustard and taramira, which are being cultivated in 53 countries spreading all over the globe. Now, distribution of the cultivated Brassica species. The genus Brassica has mainly a Mediterranean distribution, but it expands to Africa and Asia, including India. Brassica nigra is cultivated as a spice as early as 3000 BC. It originated in Asia Minor, Iran. Now it is grown in Europe, Africa, Asia, India, and the Far East. Brassica oleracea is endemic of the Mediterranean basin. It is domesticated in various Western European regions such as Greece and Rome. Brassica rapa, synonymous of campestris. Wild forms are found in Western Europe, Western USSR, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Asia, Trans-Caucasus, and Iran. Oilseed type sarson was cultivated in India as early as 1500 BC. Brassica carinata is found and cultivated in northeastern Africa and Ethiopia in particular, where it is sympatric with Brassica nigra and cultivated kales, that is Brassica oleracea. Brassica juncea, it is of Central Asia, Himalayan center of origin and migrated to China, India, and the Caucasus. Perhaps it is the oldest of the cultivated amphidiploids, main crop in India, and it is grown as alternative to rapeseed in Canada and USA. Brassica napus. This species is of relatively recent origin, and the southwest and Mediterranean region are the areas of its diversity. These are the photographs of rapeseed and mustard. Next, the photographs of turnip rape, yellow mustard, wild mustard, Ethiopian mustard, black mustard, Indian mustard. This slide shows the taxonomic common name and Hindi names of these Brassica species. First, Brassica campestris, common name is turnip rape and Hindi name is brown sarson. Brassica campestris variety brown sarson, common name brown sarson or Hindi name is kali sarson. Variety yellow sarson, common name yellow sarson, Hindi name peeli sarson. Variety Toria, Indian rape or Toria. Brassica napus, Swede, summer, winter rape, Hindi name is Gobi sarson. Brassica juncea, Indian mustard or mustard, Hindi name is Rai, Raya or Laha. Brassica Tomi forti, common name is wild mustard, Hindi name is Jangli Rai. Jangli Rai. Brassica carinata, Ethiopian mustard, Hindi name is Karan Rai. Brassica nigra is black mustard, Hindi name is Banarsi Rai. Brassica oleracea and Eruca stiva, rocket and It is also in Hindi name is Taramira. Economically important Brassica species are Brassica juncea is Indian mustard, Brassica rapa synonym Brassica campestris, subspecies olifera is turnip rape, variety brown sarson is brown sarson, variety yellow sarson is yellow sarson, variety thoria is thoria, subspecies rapifera is turnip, chinensis is bok choy, Brassica nigra, as I told you earlier, also black mustard. Brassica oleracea, variety acephala, is kale. Variety capitata is cabbage. Variety gemifera is Brussels sprouts. Variety botrytis is cauliflower. Variety italic is broccoli. Eriqua stiva is taramira. Brassica carinata is karanrai. Brassica napus is gobi sarson, and so on. Next is canola. Canola was bred from rapeseed cultivars of Brassica napus and Brassica rapa at the University of Manitoba, Canada by Keith Downey and Balder R. Stephenson in the early 1970s, having then a different nutritional profile than present day oil in addition to much less erucic acid. Canola was originally a trademark name for the of the Rapeseed Association of Canada, and the name was a condensation of can from Canada and ola means oil, low acid, but it is now a generic term for edible varieties of rapeseed oil in North America and Australia. The change in name serves to distinguish it from the natural rapeseed oil, which has much higher erucic acid content. Suggested readings Simpson's MG, Plant Systematics, Singh G 2012, Vasishtas, AC Dattas, S. Khannas, and Dara Pathaniyas. Believe in yourself, work harder, and do your country proud. Thank you for your patient learning.